1.
Pick one of these. Object. Pick something. Customize it.
2.
Object definition. Copy tuning. Extract tuning. Paste. Add object to current package.
3.
Object tuning. Data. Change name. Copy name. Object definition. Paste in tuning. Object tuning. Locate super affordance. Remove things if you wanna. Duplicate an item.
4.
Extract tuning. Type interaction/reactions. Pick one. Add to current package. Interaction tuning. Data. Rename tuning. XML. Edit the display name. To know how,
Find that in the description.
select autonomous settings. False or true. Data. Copy ID. Object tuning. Paste your number over the other number. Done. We have the skeleton key. How exciting. For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.